Hi ladies, Leah here to tell you all about how to rock the off-the-shoulder trend. Though it may seem an insignificant body part, an exposed shoulder can be ultra sexy, classy, and chic. The off-the-shoulder trend has been a staple of wedding wear for years, and now it's filtering into the high fashion runways. Here are some ideas for rocking this trend in 2012. An off-the-shoulder maxi dress would be a great base for a Grecian goddess-inspired outfit. The gentle draping of the fabric creates the perfect vibe for this look. Another great look is a knee-length peplum dress with an off-the-shoulder sleeve. This look is great for a chic date night outfit or an adorable cocktail dress. We think this look would look great in teal, red, or even black. And our favorite off-the-shoulder look is an off-the-shoulder romper. This is perfect for spring and summer. Accessorize with a navel-length necklace and wedge heels and you'll be good to go. Well, there you have it, ladies, a great way to dress up your off-the-shoulder outfits. Give this look a try and see which one is best for you. And remember to visit Chic Trends for all your fashion information, needs, and advice.